Hello dear students, so now we would move ahead in this chapter number 3 of class 7th mathematics, that is decimals. So today I have some new questions for you. So question number 1 is express the following fractions as decimal. These are the given fractions here. You have to express these given fraction into the decimal. So how would you express? First one is 23 by 10, means 23 is to be divided by 10. You have to express this given fraction into the decimal. How? If you are dividing this 23 by 10, how many times it would go? I think 2 times. 10 to ja 20. 3 is left. You would put a decimal there and here 1 0. So how many times it would go now? 10 3 ja 30. So completely divisible. So answer is how much? 2.3. So this is how you would express the given fraction into the decimal. Are you getting? Very good. Now the next question. Question is what? 25 whole 1 by 8. So this can be written as 25 plus 1 by 8. Getting it or not? Yes. So this can be written as 25 plus 1 by 8. Now, how do you solve this? So this is 25 plus. If you are dividing this 1 by 8. If you are dividing this 1 by 8. So how do you divide this? I think it is not divisible right now. So at first you would put a decimal there. Here 0. Now how many times it would go? 8 1 ja 8. 2 is left. Again it is not divisible. So again shall I put one decimal more here? No, only once you can put the decimal there. Okay. So only I will put a 0 here. Okay. Now how many times it will go? 8 2 ja 16. 4 is left. So again one more 0 here. So now 8 5 ja 40. So answer is 0.125. So this 1 by 8 can be written as 0.125. Getting? Now you are to add this 25 plus 0.125. How do you add this? It is like this: 25 plus 0.125. So here also I can put the decimal here. If I put the decimal here after their 3 digits, so I would write here 3 zeros. So this is how you would add this. Are you getting this? So answer would be how much? Answer would be 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 1 is 1, then decimal is there, yes, then 25 plus 0 would be 25. So this is how you would write the answer. Getting? Very good. Now the next question. Question number next is, you have to express 39 plus 7 by 35 as a decimal. So I can write it as 39 plus 7 by 35. So now I would try to divide this 7 by 35. So I would write it as 39 plus. So if I divide this 7 by 35, how many times it would go? Right now it is not divisible. I would put the decimal there. Here 0. Now 2 times. 35 2 ja 70. So answer is how much? 0.2. So if you are adding these two, how do you add? 39 can be written as 39.0 and 0.2 is there. 0.2. This is how you would add. So 2 plus 0 would be 2. 9 plus 0 is 9. 3 as it is. So answer is how much? 39 plus 2. So this is how you would express 39 whole 7 by 35, and it can be written as 39.2. Getting? Now second, last question. 15 plus 1 by 25. It can be written as 15 plus 1 by 25. Now you are to divide this 1 by 25 here. So I would write it as 15 plus. If I am dividing this 1 by 25, how many times it would go? Not divisible right now. You will put a decimal. 1 0. Again not divisible. So what would you do? Again you would put one more 0 there and one more decimal here. Sorry, one more 0 here, one more 0 here also. Okay. Now how many times it would go? 25 4 ja 100. So answer is how much? 0.04. Okay. Now if you are adding this, answer would be how much? 15 plus 0. Or you can write it like this also, the way we have done the previous one question. 15.0 and it is 0.04. One more 0 you can write here. So it is 4051. So 15.04. So this is how you would express the given fraction into the decimal. Getting it or not? Very good. Just note these questions down. So now this is the next question here. Question is add the following. You have to add these. How do you add? It is first one is 41.8. So write it like this. 41.8 plus 39.24. 39.24. So in place of 4 here you would write here 0. where it is 4. Okay, so then here you have 5.01. So at ones place it is 5, then 0 1, then it is 62.6. so ones place is 2 and tens place is 6. 62.6. then what would you write after that? One more 0. If you are adding this, how much you are getting? 4 plus 1 5, and here 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 8 is how much? 16. 6 carried over 1. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 1 would be 18, and 1 again is the carried over there. So 4 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 4 14. So answer is 148.6. Are you getting this? This is how you would add the given fraction. Similarly, you have to add this one also. Okay, how do you add? First is 18.03, then it is 146, ones place 6, tens place 4, and sorry, hundreds place there 1 there, and 0.3. So what would be at this place? I would write here as 0. Okay, so similarly 0.829. So ones place is 0 here, then 0.829. So where I have written 9 here, so here I would write 0, here I would add one more 0. No problem is there. Okay, so again what is there? 5.324. Add all these, you would be getting your answer. Are you getting this? So add all these, you would be getting your answer. So do it yourself. Okay, very good. This is the next question. Find the value. Means you have to subtract. In the previous one we have added there, so here you have to subtract. Similar to the previous one, you have to solve this one question also. First one is 9.756. This is how you would write this. 9.756 minus how much it is? 6.28. So it is 6.28. So in place of 6 you would write here 0. So if you are subtracting, how much you are getting? Just look here. 6 minus 0 would be 6. 5 you cannot subtract. Borrow 1, borrow from here, it would be 15. So 15 minus 8 would be how much? 7. How much is left here? 6. 6 minus 2 would be 4, and 9 minus 6 is 3. So answer would be how much? 3.476. This is how you would do all the given questions here. Okay, like it is 100 minus 26.32. How would you write this? Let me write it here. 100 minus 26.32. Add ones place 6, tens place 2. Ones place 6, tens place 2. 0.32. So here upside also I would write 2 zeros. 0.20. 0.00 there. Okay. So now subtract this. 0 minus 2 you cannot subtract. You borrow from here. I think you would borrow from here. So it would be 10 minus this, and 9 minus this, 9 minus this, 9 minus this. Nothing would left here. Okay. Are you getting this? Okay. Just do all these questions. Okay. Then okay. See you in the next lecture then. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.